Hi everyone, welcome to Science this week. This is going to be a different type of quote-unquote lesson. It's going to be a science challenge. I know you're so excited right now. I'm going to give you guys a couple questions and you're going to pick true false and we're going to see how you do by the end. And if you get all of the questions correct, there will be a spectacular grand prize at the end. So try your hardest. Don't cheat. This will not be counted against you if you get a question wrong, so you don't have to worry about that. Just be honest and do your best, and you can see how you do. By the way, there are 12, so you're aiming for a 12 out of 12 for the grand prize. So here are the directions. Make sure you think carefully about the question, and then you're going to choose true or false. All right, without further ado, here comes question number 1. Lightning cannot strike the same place twice. Is this true or is this false? And the answer is false. Lightning can strike the same place twice. It strikes the Empire State Building a lot on that lightning rod. All right, if you got that, you are 1 for 1. Moving on to question 2. There is gravity in space. Is this true or is this false? And the answer is true. There is gravity in space. There might be a lot less of it than there is on Earth, but there sure is gravity in space. Some places there are a lot more than Earth too. All right, question number 3. Humans only use about 10% of their total brain capacity. Is this true or is this false? And the answer is false. Humans use almost 100% of their brain. We have seen this in MRIs, scans, so we know this is not true. False. All right, maybe there's some of you out there that are 3 for 3. You're on your way to that grand prize. If you're not, keep going. You're still in it. Number 4. The moon has a dark side, which never receives any light. Is this true, or is this false? And the answer is false. This is not true. Sometimes the backside of the moon is also lit up. This is a myth. Moving on to question 5. The seasons are caused by the Earth's distance from the sun throughout the year. Is this true or is this false? And the answer to number 5 is false. We are actually closest to the sun in the wintertime. It's caused by the tilt of the Earth and the angle of the sunlight. Moving on to question 6. Humans, cave people are also included, did not live at the same time as the dinosaurs for a very short period of time. Humans did not live at the same time as the dinosaurs for a very short period of time. Is this true or is this false? The answer to number 6 is true. Humans did not live at the same time as the dinosaurs. Not even close. The dinosaurs died like 65 million years before humans even were existing. Number 7. Humans' blood is blue in your veins until it comes in contact with oxygen, and then it turns red. Is this true or is this false? The answer to number 7 is false. Your blood is not blue in your veins, it's red. Your skin makes it look like your blood is blue, but it's actually not. Number 8. The North Star, Polaris, is not the brightest star in the night sky in the northern hemisphere. It's not. Is this true or is this false? The answer to number 8 is true. It is not even close. It's like in the 40s in terms of the ranking of how bright it is. Pretty hard to find, actually. All right, moving on to number 9. Mercury is not the hottest planet in the solar system, even though it's closest to the sun. Is this true, or is this false? The answer to number 9 is true. It is not. Even though it's closest to the sun. Venus is the hottest because it has an atmosphere full of carbon dioxide, which absorbs heat. Moving on to number 10. The tires on your car are what keeps you safe if the car were to get struck by lightning. Is this true, or is this false? The answer to number 10 is false. It's actually the frame of the car, the metal frame, that will save you. It is a lightning rod, essentially, and it'll drag the lightning bolt into the ground for you instead of hurting you. Number 11. Humans swallow on average of 8 spiders in their sleep per year. Is this a true statement, or is this a false statement? The answer to this question is false. Whew. Spiders are actually scared of like vibrations, so the chances of you ever having a spider anywhere near you in your sleep is pretty low. They're very scared of humans. Going on to 12. The last question. The Great Wall of China is not visible to the unaided eye from space. Is this true, or is this false? And the answer to the last question is true. It is actually not visible without some aid. You need to use binoculars in space or a camera that has a zoom lens. All right, well, if you got all 12 correct, you are actually the winner of the grand prize. You will be riding in style on your brand new unicorn. Congratulations. If you got all 12, you will be receiving your unicorn, and you will be able to show it off. You earned it. Well, I hope that was semi-fun for you guys and that you learned something in there. You can quiz your friends and your family and trick them. Hope you guys enjoyed yourself, and I will see you on the next one. Have a nice day. Bye.